Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how do we create a new project on a CapCut application by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we have to do is just go up on the CapCut application here and hold on until we arrive on the first page of the CapCut. So this is the look for the CapCut when you already arrived on it. So you just need to make sure that you are in edit section. So the create project button will be only appear in edit section. So to create a new project, you just need to go click this button, a new project. You just need to click it, and after that you just need to follow all of the section. Like for this section, you just need to go find out the video that you want to add into your project, and after you're done choosing the video, just click add, and now you already have a project that ready to work in. So you just need to do further editing by using all of the features that provide by the CapCut down here. That's all the way how to create a new project on a CapCut, guys. So if you find a tutorial today is quite useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe to this channel.